Roger. It's a 13 Lima Radio 131 QRP. 13
Lima Radio 134, correct?
It's a 131. The unit number is a 131. 131 QRP.
Okay, 13 Lima Radio 131, correct?
Correcto. Buongiorno. Yes, Rainer. The name is Rainer. Romeo Alpha India November Echo Romeo. I'm using only a walkie-talkie radio. Hope you can copy me.
Okay, my friend Rainer, you report signal of 5455, okay? 1EK116, operator name Antonio, okay? Come Alpha November, Tango Oscar, November India Oscar, okay? 73, thank you, my friend, 13 Lima Radio 131, over.
Antonio, hello, nice to catch you. Buongiorno, Antonio. It's very, very nice. I'm sitting in my car with the handheld radio. The antenna is out of the window, only the walkie-talkie, and sitting in my car in northern part of Germany. Are you booming here with 5 and 5, 5 and 7? Back to you.
Okay, my friend, okay, fantastic, okay, very, very good, my friend, you quality, fantastic, okay. 73, family, thank you, okay, 1EK Kilo 11 and 6, 13 Lima Radio 131, 73, bye-bye, thank you.
Thank you, mille grazie, Antonio, 73, and bye-bye.
73.
Wow, nice. You can see I'm sitting in my car. Yes, I'm sitting in my car with the handheld radio, and out of the window, the 150 centimeter long telescopic antenna. Wow, the first contact with the handheld in my car. I'm mobile QRP. Yes, it's nice. Oh wow, sitting in my car, speak to northern Italy. You can see out of the window. That's great. The first contact, I'm sitting in my car and put the antenna out of the window. On the handheld, the antenna. Only the power from the accu pack from Mr. Drain. Yes. That's very nice. Very great contact. Wow. That's nice. Another antennas. Great contact with the walkie-talkie out of my car. Oh, I'm very happy, Antonio. You make my day. Thanks, you give me the change and have for this contact. 73 to all on the 13 Lima Radio 131 mobile QRP walkie-talkie inside my car, and out of the window you can see very great. So 73s, good luck and goodbye.